Good morning, dear students. Dear students of class 2, I hope you all enjoy the Puja vacation of Durga Puja and Lakshmi Puja. From today, we will start the next journey for the term 2 exam. Okay, let's start. In the previous classes, I have already completed the chapter number 4, which is the keyboard. Today I am just revising the chapter number 4, the keyboard. Just revising. Okay, listen to me carefully. First, keys of the keyboard. Keys of the keyboard, you can see that this is the virtual keyboard, or it is known as the on-screen keyboard, which is available in the with the computer. On-screen keyboard, and this is the keyboard. This is the keyboard which we can use for typing. This is known as the virtual keyboard. On this keyboard, you can see that read the names of the keys you have written in the get set activity. Okay, these keys are used to type on a computer. As we type, the blinking line moves to the right. Blinking, you can see that when I am typing, the cursor is moving. The blinking line on the screen is known as the cursor. This is known as the cursor, which is blinking. Okay, this is the keyboard layout. You can see that all these are known as the alphabet keys, and these are known as the number keys. And F1 to F12, these are known as the functional keys. Okay, functional keys. And you can see that in one key there is two symbol. This is known as the special keys, and this is also known as the number keys. When we type only these keys, it will type 1 2 3 4. But when we use this special symbol, then we have to first press shift keys, then press the required keys. You can see that it will act like this. Next, arrow keys. You can see that there are 4 types of arrow. This is down arrow, this is up arrow, this is left arrow, this is row arrow. This is known as the arrow keys. Next, caps lock. You can see that this is the caps lock keys. Caps lock keys. When we type, words appear in small letter. You can see that when we type word, it will appear in the small letter. Suppose I am typing Ma Durga. You can see that the words appear in small letter. If we want to type in capital letter, press the caps lock. Suppose I want to type these words in capital letter, then we have to use caps lock. This is the caps lock key. Just press caps lock, and next type Ma Durga. You can see that now all the words appear in capital letter. This is the caps lock key. Next, shift key. There are 2 shift keys in your keyboard. This is one shift key in the right side. This is another shift key in the left side. What is the function? We can see the keys with letters, numbers and symbols. The letters, numbers and symbols are called character. Letters, numbers and symbols are called characters. Suppose in this case we want to type at the red sign. Normally if we type these keys, it will type only to the letter. But if we want to type this symbol, then we have to press, just look at this, first press shift key, then press this key. Look at the screen. now it will be available. Okay, that is the function of shift key. Shift key is a key by which we can type the special characters like exclamation sign, at the rate, hash sign, dollar sign, percentage sign, caret sign, and sign, star sign, like that. This is the function of shift keys. Next, backspace keys. Next key is backspace key. You can see that this is known as the backspace key. Backspace key. We use the backspace key to delete characters typed on the left side of the cursor. Look at the screen. I have typed computer. This is the wrong spelling. The right spelling is computer. So we have to delete the extra R. For this, first you can see that the cursor is blinking the last position of the word. Next, just press the backspace key one time. Just press backspace key one time. You can see that the extra R is now deleted from the left side. This is the function of backspace key. Next, I will discuss about the delete key. What is the function of delete key? We use delete key to delete characters type on the right side of the cursor. On the right side of the cursor. Okay. Suppose I have typed here computer. This is the wrong spelling. The right spelling is computer. There is extra u, so we have to delete the extra u, which I have already typed. To correct the spelling of computer using the delete key, first place the cursor before you. Place the cursor before you. You can delete any one of these. Just look at this. Just left click on the mouse. This is the mouse point. This is known as the cursor, and this is known as the mouse pointer. This is known as the mouse pointer. This is known as the mouse pointer. This is known as the cursor. Just before you click left click, now the cursor is present here. Now press the delete key. You can see that delete key is present here. Just place delete key. You can see that one u is now deleted. This is the function of delete key. Okay, dear students, please try to practice in your own machine. Okay, without practice, all things it will not be clear to you. Okay, just try to practice on your own machine.